Integers. Whole numbers and their negative counterpart. Example: -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on and so forth. Operation of integers: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Addition: sum of integers. Rules in adding integers is to add with the same sign, add their absolute values, and use the common sign in the answer. Examples: 5 plus 6 equals 11. 13 plus 56 equals 39. -10 plus -3 equals -30. -5 plus -30 equals -35. To add integers with different signs, get the difference between their absolute values and use the sign of the integer with greater absolute value in the answer. Example: -5 plus 7 equals -8. -3 plus -18 equals 5. -12 plus 35 equals -3. 5 plus -29 equals -24. Subtraction. Difference of integers. Rules in subtracting integers. You can transform the subtraction of integers into the addition of integers problem. Here's how. First, keep the first number minuend. Second, change the operation from subtraction to addition. Third, get the opposite sign of the second number, subtrahend. Finally, proceed with the regular addition of integers. For example, 6 minus 4, change it into 6 plus -4 equals 2. 10 minus -18, change it into 10 plus 18 equals 28. -5 minus -2, change it into -5 plus 2 equals -3. And -25 minus 7, change it into -25 plus 7 equals -18. Multiplication. Product of integers. Rules in multiplying integers. If the two integers have the same signs, their product is positive. For example, 7 times 2 equals 14. -5 times -7 equals 25. 3 times 6 equals 18. -4 times -9 equals 36. If the two integers have different signs, their product is negative. Examples: 3 times -2 equals -6. 10 times -7 equals -70. -5 times 9 equals -45. -8 times 4 equals -32. Division. Quotient of integers. Rules in dividing integers. The quotient of two integers with the same signs is a positive integer. Examples: 24 divided by 6 equals 4. -33 divided by -11 equals 3. 15 divided by 3 equals 5. -10 divided by -10 equals 1. The quotient of two integers have unlike signs is a negative integer. Example: Negative 4 divided by 2 equals negative 2. 21 divided by negative 3 equals negative 7. Negative 12 divided by 3 equals negative 4. 100 divided by negative 10 equals negative 10. Thank you for listening and God bless.